everyone, welcome to our channel Scholar Stream. Today our topic is to cover exercise, then main topics like representing on number line, rationalization. So we will continue in this video. Question number 1, exercise 1.1. Is 0 is a rational number? Can you write it in the form of p by q, where p and q are integers? Q is not equal to 0. That question is given is 0 is a rational number. They asked to us, can you write it in the form of p by q, where p and q are integers and q is not equal to 0? So the answer is yes, 0 is a rational number. 0 can be expressed in the form of p by q form in infinite many ways, like 0 by 5, 0 by 11, 0 by minus. In short, 0 by q, where q is an integer other than 0, is p by q form of 0. इन शॉर्ट 0 जो है वो रैशनल नंबर है और हम उसे p बाई क्यू फॉर्म में लिख सकते हैं, और इनफाइनाइट वेज में जैसे 0 बाई 11, 11 बाई 0 तो वो तो नॉट डिफाइंड हो जाएगा, 0 ऊपर ही होना चाहिए वरना वो नॉट डिफाइंड हो जाएगा. 0 बाई 5, 0 बाई 11, 0 बाई -3. सो द आंसर इज यस. Second question is given to us, find 6 rational number between 3 and 4, in which we want to find rational number between the number is 3 and 4. So we given denominator 3 and 4 is 1, and we want to find 6 rational number. So we put 7 here, 3 by 7 and 4 by 7. So the answer is 21 upon 7, 28 by 7. So our answer is 22 by 7, 23 upon 7, 24 upon 7, up to are between 6 rational numbers between 3 and 4. We will proceed. Question number 3. Find 5 rational numbers between 3 by 5 and 4 by 5. So we want to find 5 rational numbers. So we take next number, that's 6. 3 multiply 6, 4 multiply 6, and downside same. So the answer is 18 upon 30, 24 upon 30. This is rational number, 5 rational numbers between 3 by 5 and 4 by 5. Question number 4, last question of exercise 1.1. Every natural number is a whole number. True, because natural number start from 1 and whole number start from 0. Other all same. So answer is true. Every integer is a whole number. False. Integer include negative, positive, and a whole number only include positive and 0. So the answer is false. Every rational number is a whole number. So the answer is false. Rational number written in the form of p by q, where whole number cannot be written in the form of p by q. So the answer is false. By this way, our exercise 1.1 is completed. Hopefully you get to know. Now, exercise 1.2, question number 1, true and false. Every irrational number is a real number. So the answer is true. Irrational number is a real number. Although rational number and irrational numbers that we learned from previous video that makes a real number. So the answer is true. Every point on number line is of form root m, where m is natural number. So we know that answer is false. Every real number is a irrational number. So the answer is false. Real number is not a irrational number because it's also a rational number. So the answer is false. Question number 2. That's not most IMP, but we will understand. Are the square root of all positive integer irrational? If not, give an example of square root of number that is rational number. No. For example, root 4 is equal to 2 is a rational number. So we understand this by this way. This is not most IMP. So how root 5 can be represented on number line? Most IMP question that the topic is representing on number line. Root 5 can be written in the form of 4 plus 1. 2 is the square of 4. So 2 square plus 1. That we want to take a line of 2 centimeter gaps. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We take up to 6 extra. So we take line, first point, take a line. And remember the gaps between is 2 centimeter for neat and clean diagram or figure. Then take a scale on first given 2. So we will take 2 and vertical line of 2 centimeter. Then connect 0 to C. We given the name is C, A, B and C. Then take a rounder point on A, on pencil point on C. Then take a arc, that is D, and AC is equal to AD is equal to root 5 centimeter.